This video explains the wiring of ATMOX components. The first step to a smooth ATMOX installation is to plan for the wiring and placement of components. Determine the location of fans and accessories. The controller location will dictate the origin of your wiring. Think about how to bring the low-voltage wire to all of the components on the same output line starting from the controller. Do not use a separate wire for each fan. The setup is a daisy chain. It is recommended to keep the total length of the low-voltage wire on one run to a maximum of 150 feet. Begin at the controller and start taking the wire to the fans. At the end of the run, cut off any wire past the last fan to use for later. If you are working in a larger space and reach the end of the wire, attach a supplemental wire to the primary wire to keep going in the same direction. If your fan splits off into different directions, you can add a supplemental wire to the primary wire in any location and make a Y-type split. View other ATMOX videos for specific instructions on how to attach the wires to each other. Wiring an attic is the same as in a crawl space. After connecting fans, secure the wire to the joists or rafters. Use larger electrical staples. Be careful not to put a staple through the low-voltage wire. Leave a service loop at the location of each component or any location where you are attaching supplemental wires. View other ATMOX videos for connecting the fans and accessories to the low-voltage wire. For additional assistance, visit us at atmox.com or call us at 704-248-2858.